In this section, we will explore Parkinson's law, a principle that can transform how we manage our tasks and time. It states work expands so as to fill the time available for its completion. Parkinson's law highlights how the amount of time we allocate to tasks influence how long it actually takes. If we give more time to ourselves to complete the task, they expand, often unnecessarily. Conversely, setting shorter and realistic deadlines encourages quicker completion. This happens due to several factors, such as when more time is available, tasks become often complicated than necessary. This is due to the expanded scope where layers of complexity are added that weren't the part of the original part. Longer deadlines also invite procrastination, as it feels like there is always a time to start later. Perfectionism can also creep in too, as we might spend excessive time to refine the details that don't significantly impact the outcome. To encounter these tendencies, we can set shorter and realistic deadlines to maintain the focus and efficiency. Time blocking is another effective strategy, where the specific periods are allocated for the tasks, creating a sense of urgency that prevents unnecessary expansion. Prioritization is the key. Focusing on the high priority tasks and allocating just enough time to ensure efficient completion. Breaking tasks into smaller steps, their own deadlines help maintain momentum and prevents the overall task from becoming overwhelming. Limiting available resources such as time or budget can also drive creativity and efficiency by focusing on the most important essential items. Let's look at some examples. Writing a research project report is a common task for research scholars. Given a month, we might spend several days researching, outlining, writing, revising, and perfectioning it. However, given just a week, we would just focus on the critical information, avoiding unnecessary details, and complete the report efficiently. Another example is meetings. A 1-hour meeting often takes a full hour, even if the agenda could be in just 30 minutes. By limiting the meetings to 30 minutes, participants are more likely to stay on topic and make decisions quickly. To apply Parkinson's law effectively, we can start by identifying all tasks we need to complete in time. Assign the shorter but realistic deadlines for each one. Monitor progress regularly and adjust deadlines as needed. After completing tasks, reflect on the process and fine-tune our time management strategy for the greater efficiency. The benefits of applying Parkinson's law are significant. Setting shorter deadlines allow us to accomplish more in less time, reducing the procrastination and enhancing our focus. We are neutrally driven to find more efficient ways to complete tasks, improving overall productivity. With a better understanding of this principle, we can plan and allocate our time more effectively, achieving our goals in a shorter deadline with greater precision and focus.